Hi, my name's Justin Parsons. I'm Group Technology Director at OCS. I have responsibility for IT operations and infrastructure across our global landscape. OCS is a facilities management, facilities services company globally. We have 120,000 colleagues, 8,000 customers. Two core challenges that SCC have helped me with to date has been around responsiveness of a service desk, and that's responsiveness in terms of keeping people up to date with tickets that have been logged, answering the phones when they're ringing in terms of people trying to log tickets, responsive to portal tickets that have been raised as well. But more importantly, actioning those tickets beyond just responding to them, closing down incidents, closing down requests, making sure our end users are back up and operational and productive as quickly as they can. That's the first challenge. The second challenge is around consolidating down supplier sprawl. I had a huge number of manufacturers and suppliers who we procured hardware from. We've consolidated that down to SCC. That gives me a lot less suppliers and partners to manage, so I can focus in on what's important in terms of getting the most out of the relationship with SCC. Key service SCC now provides OCS is around the level 1 and level 2 service desk. The service desk provision is provided here in Yash by a dedicated team that we have assigned to the OCS account. OCS chose SCC as a partner predominantly driven by how impressed we were when we first came over to the service centre here in Yash and the people that we met. There's a whole team that supports the core service desk that we have that upon the first visit where we were here, we were really keen to explore what that would look like in terms of what those services would provide OCS as a business. What we also need though is a partner who can work with us at pace. OCS is growing through acquisition and growing quickly, and I need to have a capability within the IT operations function that I provide to support that growth, support those acquisitions, both from a BAU point of view and also transforming them into our business. One of the core benefits that we've had around migrating the service desk to the team here is to give us the scalability that we need to support the growth ambition of the business. The improvement on the impact of our end user has been in one key area, and that's around responsiveness. We have about 11,000 IT users across the globe, and if those users are able to get back operational and productive quicker than what they had been previously, clearly that's a benefit all round to the organisation and the users that we have. The most impressive part of the partnership so far is that word actually, partnership. We talk a lot internally about having vendors, having suppliers. We've always said when we wanted to make key strategic decisions around who we work with, we want to have partners. And we want to have partners because they want to understand our business, they want to understand our challenges. They don't just want to sell us something, they want to actually understand where we're going to get real benefit. SCC provide a huge array of services, but what's impressed me is a willingness to want to understand the services that are really going to make a difference to us at OCS, both in the IT function, in the technology function, but also to all of our colleagues who consume IT and maybe even some who don't. I think what's impressed me the most is the capability across the piece. The skill set, the capability, the work ethic, the drive, the commitment has been fantastic, whether that's UK or whether that's in Romania.